Hey guys, welcome to my channel SlideHunt. To get complete series of HTML5 tutorials, subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button that appear at bottom right corner. Today in this tutorial, we will learn the basic structure of an HTML document. An HTML document is basically a set of tags. So here we learn what tags are mandatory for an HTML document and what are their basic structure. So let's get started. Here you can see the basic structure of an HTML document. You can see here many tags. I'm going to discuss all the tags in detail with an example. To write HTML code, we need a text editor, and I will use here Notepad++. So I open here Notepad++. First we need to save this document. Go to File, click on the Save As button, give a name of this document. I'm going to write a structure. Then you need to give an extension. For HTML document, extension must be .htm or .html. You can use any of these. I'm going to use here .html. And then click on the Save button. Document is saved. Now we write the code. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. For HTML5, the declaration can be written as within angle bracket, first write exclamatory sign, then doc type, space, and then HTML. This declaration informs the web browser that it is an HTML5 document. Doc type declaration is not case sensitive. That means you can use a small case letter instead of capital. Okay, next we need to write HTML tag. This is the opening HTML tag and then closing HTML tag. HTML tag tells the browser that this is the start of HTML document and this is the end of HTML document. All the codes, tags or element will be written inside this HTML tag. Next tag is head tag. This is the starting head tag and then closing head tag. You can say it a head element also. Head element is a container of metadata. HTML metadata is the data about the HTML document. Metadata is not displayed in the web page. It typically defines the document title, style, link, script, etc. Inside the head tag, I'm going to write the title tag, opening title tag, and then closing title tag. Now I'm going to write the content of title element. For example, I'm going to write a basic structure of HTML. This content will be shown in the browser tab, not in the web page. Let's check it. Save this document. Now open this document in a browser. Document is saved here. I'm going to open this document in Firefox. You can see here the content is shown here. Since it is a metadata, it is not displayed in the web page. Next is body tag or body element. This is the opening body tag and this is the closing body tag. Whatever you write inside the body tag will be displayed in the web page. I'm going to write here, hello, how are you? Save it. Now refresh the browser. And you can see here it print hello, how are you? Now I'm going to write here, hope you are well. Save it. Refresh the page. you can see whatever we write inside the body tag is printed in the web page. That's it for today's lesson. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Goodbye and see you again in the next tutorial.